So today we will discuss about some backend queries like how do you know all the columns of a table by using the query. Okay, so we will discuss one by one. So, see, this is the query for knowing all the columns available in a particular table. So here we need to give the schema name, that is database name D6. We are currently using this database name, and table name. Suppose if you don't give the table name, see what will happen. You will get all the table names along with the column names. If you give the table name, then you will get specified table name column names like this. So here observe this: schema name, table name, column name, and ordinal position, that means order. So you can observe this: first employee number, second employee name, job, like that. Ordinal position means columns order number, and whether it is null or nullable or not, and data type, what is the data type of each and every column name, and if it is varchar, what is the size of that. Character octet length. So decimal means precision and scale values. So column type, data type. Okay, so these are the columns you will get. So this is about list of all columns of a table. Okay, so I want to know the list of column names available in a particular table. Then you just execute this query, you can get that. And this is the list of tables that contain a specified column name. See, so I want to know the employee number column name exists in a table. Okay, I want to know list of tables which are having employee number column name. Then this query will be used. For this, both of these, we have used same table name, but in where condition that is changed. Okay, and if you know the cell column name, then you can find the list of table names. And list of function with text. So these are the functions we have written so far, and this is the logic inside that function. Okay, and if you want to see this other columns also, you can see that. So database name, function name, routine type, whether it is function or procedure. That means if you execute up to this, then it will display procedures also. Okay, so you have passed routine type as a function in where condition, so that you are able to see that functions only. Okay, so data types, what are the data types are available? Integer and logic, and here you can find that created, when it was created, so that column name is also available. Okay, so this is about list of functions along with text, and I want to see the list of functions along with the parameters and data types. Then you need to execute this query. See this. So this is the function, and here you can open this function f underscore grade. See, sal integer. So integer, this is the parameter name integer, and here observe this parameter mode has two types. One is in parameter and another one is return. Return means, so this function returns which data type? Here integer data type. Okay, so that's why here data type is integer and parameter mode is return. Here in means input parameter and data type is also integer, like this. Sal is p underscore sal is the input parameter and data type is integer. Okay, so this is about list of the functions along with the data types and parameter names. And next one is, I want to know list of the functions available in a particular database. So these are the list of functions. List of indexes. See, these are the indexes available in this database. Okay, so index name, index column, index type, it is unique or not. So it is not unique. So these are the unique. Okay. Next, list of primary key and foreign keys. So there is no primary key and foreign key available. So if you want to check it, then here foreign key, we want to create one foreign key, that is department number, reference table, DEPT table. In the DEPT table, I want to select department number. So selected column department must be indexed and be of a compatible type for a foreign key to be created. Okay, go to this, and here click on primary key, apply. So it requires department number should be primary key in department table. Now execute this query. See this, department table is the primary table, primary key is department number, foreign table is employee table, foreign key is department number. Constraint name which we have given while creating the employee department, while creating the foreign key on department number in department employee table. So this is the foreign key name. Okay, next, list of primary keys. So these are the list of primary keys available in current database. Next, list of procedures based on column name. Test underscore JSON. These are the procedures which are having the employee number as column name. Okay, so you can check with that procedure. Test where it is. Test. Okay, sorry. Here database is B4. So employee number here, see this employee number is available, but it is in comment. Okay, so next, list of procedures based on table name. So these are the procedures which are having employee table. Okay, that means while loop. So while loop here, we have used EMP in this. Okay, but here you need to know one point. That one is, suppose this is the table name and employee, this one is another table name. Okay, this is the procedure name. In this procedure you have used employee table. Okay, but you didn't use EMP table. Okay, again I am repeating. So these are the two tables and test is the procedure name, but in this procedure you have used employee table, not EMP table, but you are going to search with EMP. So at that time this procedure will also be displayed. Why? Because you are going to search with EMP keyword. EMP keyword exists in employee name. Okay, and you are going to search the column routine definition. Okay, so what will be the routine definition? You observe this entire logic will be there. Okay, in that entire logic EMP, it will go to the search with EMP keyword. Okay, so you need to remember this point. Next, list of procedures with parameters and data types. See this. These are the list of procedures and parameter name, data types, and char length. Data type size also it will display parameter mode in or out. Here observe this in out parameter. Okay. Next, list of procedures with text. See, these are the list of procedures with test. List of procedures. Want to display only list of procedures. So database name, procedure name, routine type, whether it is procedure or not, and what are the different column names, logic, routine definition, created, when it was created, okay, all those things you can find. List of tables available in a database. So these are the list of tables available in a database. So for all this, you need to give the database name in where condition. Of triggers available in database. So there are no triggers. Okay. Example, go to this, add, apply. Now execute this. One trigger was created without any logic. For testing purpose, I have created. Of use. These are the views available in database. That's it. So these are the backend queries. So no need to remember all these queries. You just remember the title wherever it is required. So you can go through these queries. So I have prepared myself through the Google only. Okay. I don't remember all these queries, but when there is a situation occurs to use this type of queries, I will go through these queries and I will copy and paste it and I will execute it. Okay. So as a database developer, it is better to save these queries in your system.